shift our focus to Jammu and Kashmir, viewers, where there's a massive cloudburst that has happened in Kishtwar. There was several people have been trapped. Casualties are feared. Rescue operations, meanwhile, have been launched. But at the moment, what we know is relief and rescue operation is being continued. Let me go across to my colleague Sahil Sohail, who's joining us on the phone line with more details. Sahil, can I get an understanding of what exactly happened as far as casualties are concerned? What are the authorities saying on them, and of course the missing people?
Well, the area is basically a remote village in Kishtwar district, so it took time basically to authorities to basically respond to the situation and reach to the spot. As of now, we are getting an area that initial reports basically suggest that 10 to 12 people have lost their lives. There are many other, in fact, pilgrims who are trapped. As of now, district administration is in fact initiating rescue operation that's underway. SDRF and disaster management units have already in fact being rushed to the village, while as now NDRF and in fact helicopters are being also pressed into service for the rescue operation. This area is basically en route to Machil Yatra track that basically was started just 2 weeks before, and this yatra was going on. The area had basically received heavy rainfall, and following that there was this cloud burst. Several people were trapped in this cloud because of this cloud burst. The parking area and a langar is said to be the impacted area or the site. So as of now, all focus is on rescue operation. Police, district administration and all authorities are in fact moving to the spot, and in fact rescue operation is being initiated, while as NDRF teams are also on way to the area.
All right, Sahil, I'll keep coming back to you for more and more details that are still trickling in as far as the rescue operations are concerned. But viewers, let's also tell you what the Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir, Omar Abdullah, has put out on his social media platform X. He has expressed deep sorrow over the tragic cloudburst in Kishtwar, extending condolences to the bereaved families. In fact, his office has also said that the Chief Minister's office is in touch with the district administration and all the measures of relief and rescue are being taken. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is of course coming in from the Chief Minister's office as far as this cloudburst is concerned, relief and rescue being undertaken. Let's also get you more reactions that are coming in.
मुझे लगता है वहाँ भारी नुकसान हो सकता है। वहाँ पे बड़ा कंजेस्टेड इस वक्त सारा यात्रा की वजह से छोटी छोटी दुकानें बनी हैं, गाड़ियाँ वहाँ पे हैं, लोग वहाँ पे हैं, गांव वहाँ पे है। अगर गांव में ये आया होगा तो वहाँ तो मुझे लगता है कि बहुत ज्यादा नुकसान होगा। हम अभी सारी पार्टी इस वक्त वहीं के लिए निकल रहे हैं। हम अपने कार्यकर्ता वहाँ उस तरफ निकल चुके हैं, प्रशासन की टीमें भी है, लेकिन मैं अभी एलजी साहब से भी बात करके एनडीआरएफ की टीम मंगा के तुरंत वहाँ पे रेस्क्यू ऑपरेशन करने के लिए काम करूंगा।
So that, of course, ladies and gentlemen, is, the reaction that's come in. But as far as this entire situation is concerned, extremely concerning. My colleague Sahil continues to be with us on the phone line. Sahil, as far as, the weather is concerned, such cloudbursts and the subsequent landslides and flooding is something that is not rare in mountainous regions. But as far as the weather department is concerned, what are they saying? Can we see some sort of relief now in the next few hours?
Well, there was already a prediction, in fact, by the meteorological department in Srinagar. They had, in fact, predicted rains for 24 hours. In fact, schools in some areas of Jammu division were closed for the day yesterday. Today,
All right, Sahil, thanks very much for joining us at the moment and getting us those details. Of course, I'll keep coming back to you for the latest ground situation. Viewers, with that, it's time for a short break, but we will keep getting you more and more details that are trickling in from Kishtwar.